How to delete Blockman Go account. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to delete Blockman Go account. Deleting Blockman Go account is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game. Launch Blockman Go on your mobile device. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Find Security. In the Profile menu, look for an option like Security. Locate the Delete Account option. Follow instruction. Tap on Delete Account and carefully read the terms. Confirm your request by entering your account credential or verification if needed. Confirm deletion. After confirmation, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Note that progress might take a few days to complete, depending on the game's policy. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete your account in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.